Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where your ABS fuse is located. Actually guys, you have up to 6 fuses that should work on generation 2009 to year 2015. So stay with us, let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we have right here, what we need to do, okay, we need to open that fuse box, one tap here, one over there, squish and pull straight up, okay, just like that. Now right here we have a fuse puller that we're going to just spread out, pull it out, and you can see that's what we use to pull the fuses. We have actually guys a couple fuses inside, outside, so we're going to explain about all that. Quite complicated system, 6 fuses control the traction control and ABS system. So if you have ABS light, okay, check each one of those fuses, and of course it could be even a bad speed sensor, it could be so many things, and we're going to have a special video that explains how to test ABS system on Hyundai Sonata as well. So now we need to open the fuse box, okay, right there. The first fuse guys, okay, that we need to check, it's known as IG1 if you look at it. So if you come right here, okay, if you come right here, the first fuse is actually, okay, the second row from right to left, the third fuse, 20 amp fuse right here. That's the fuse that we need. So what do we need to do? Okay, go ahead, grab it now guys with the fuse puller and pull it out. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now let me explain about that guys. Usually fuses, you can see if they're burned or not easily through the glass, but I always recommend to test them. Why? Because if you think you have a good fuse, you put it in and you still have problems with your ABS systems guys, you start putting more money, time, effort into fixing your car when all we had to do test the fuse and find out it's a bad fuse. So if you want to see how to test it in a few seconds, the link will be in the description of the video below to that video. Also, if you need to buy cheap fuses, we'll share that link as well. This is fuse number 1 that's responsible for the ABS system guys. So I'm going to go ahead and reinsert it now. Where we have another one, okay, the other one is known as MDPS. MDPS is if you come this way now, okay, if you come this way, it will be guys the second fuse from top to bottom on the right side, okay, right there, that 10 amp fuse right here. So that's another one. What else we have guys here? Okay, we need to go outside. Okay, and we need to find 4 more fuses guys. 4 more fuses that control the traction control and ABS system, and the module itself, if you need to replace it, it's down there. We'll have a video guys how to do that. So let me explain that now. The first fuse that we have right here guys, it's known as ESC1, this fuse right here, ESC1. So this is the 4th fuse from right to left in that mega fuse box, multi-fuse 1, 2, 3, 4. This 40 amp fuse, the 4th one, okay, look through the glass and see if it's good. Also we have a video how to test it. Another one guys, we have MDPS, which is very important. It's an 80 amp fuse, okay, right here. This is the first from left to right. In addition, we have a third fuse known as ESC2. This is a 30 amp fuse and it's that fuse right here. Check it out as well. And the last fuse guys is ESC3, which is a 10 amp fuse. The third one, okay, right there. Check this one out as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with the ABS system or ABS light. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.